Simple to set up. Easy to recharge. Spend less time charging your wireless video doorbell with up to 6 months of rechargeable battery life on one charge. Coverage for every corner, fast, wire-free setup, no wiring required, delivers increased installation flexibility to get the perfect view from your doorbell camera. See more at your front door. See a person from head to toe or a package on the ground with 180-degree wide field view with your wireless doorbell with camera. Get a clearer picture. Detailed video in HD with HDR from the wireless security camera system ensures you see the details even in low light or bright conditions. Never miss a moment. See what triggered a motion before anyone tries to ring doorbell. With Arlo Foresight, the security camera captures video prior to every motion-triggered video recording so you don't miss out. Respond quickly. Receive a video call from your wireless doorbell camera to your phone to hear and speak to visitors at your doorbell with clear, two-way audio or respond with pre-recorded quick reply messages when you are busy. Reliable security. No matter the weather, the weather-resistant outdoor security camera is built and certified to withstand the heat, cold, rain, or sun. Plays well with others. Upgrade your smart home security system by connecting your smart doorbell to Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant and Samsung SmartThings. Smarter alerts, quicker action. With an Arlo Secure plan, receive notifications from the security camera for people, vehicles, and packages so you can react quickly, right from your phone. Secure local storage option. Utilize your Wi-Fi camera and secure your videos directly to your Arlo base station or smart hub to view them anytime anywhere. Top reviews from the United States. I put a Ring and an Arlo next to each other. The Arlo outperformed the Ring by a long shot. I especially like seeing animals at our rural home in Colorado and our home in Arizona. Animals come at night. Arlo picked up 10 times the amount of bears, deer, elk, coyote, bobcat, javelina as the Ring sat right next to it. That helped me decide to go with Arlo all the way.